The South's Davis. As President and Commander-in-Chief of the Confederate forces, Davis ruled with many fine qualities. However, his flaws and the political difficulties he faced doomed his leadership. He was excessively proud, sensitive to criticism, and too controlling. He was also immediately limited to one term as president due to a rule set by the Confederate government. That meant everyone knew he would never be president again and his power was reduced. He also didn't have the support of strong political parties. These parties were distrusted in the South. People believed they were part of why the war began in the first place. Without a strong party backing, though, Davis could not command loyalty from a broad group of people, including important state governors. Davis was his own Secretary of War. He preferred it this way. He was also the General in Chief of the Confederate armies until he named Robert E. Lee to that position on February 6, 1865. At that point, the Confederacy was near collapse. For naval affairs, Davis deferred to the very capable Stephen Mallory. Davis had a difficult position to fill, and he likely was the most qualified for it. However, his overall performance in office left something to be desired.